how to download Among Us on PC for free. So if you want to download Among Us on PC for free, then first you need to install the BlueStacks emulator. You just need to simply go with your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and then search for BlueStacks. Once you search here, you will have the www.bluestacks.com and go with download BlueStacks, and you need to download the application. Once you've downloaded, you will have all of the Android apps like Among Us on your PC, and you'll be able to download it. So simply go and download the BlueStacks. Once you've downloaded, you can open up your BlueStacks on your PC or your laptop, and here you need to go with the search and search for Among Us. Once you search here, you will have the application. Simply click on the application, and you need to simply go with install on app player, and it will start the download or install. So in this way, you'll be able to download or install Among Us on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.